It's said in the last days we would start seeing things never seen before. There was a storm in China with hurricane force wind speeds. In fact, they said it actually set new records in China. That's how bad this recent storm was. It was believed that a water spout sprung up in the ocean, and it carried the sea creatures in the air along with all of the rain and hail that was falling. And this sea life landed everywhere. Look at these pictures. This octopus, they said, landed on a person's windshield. And you can see it's falling upside down from the sky. And you can see the other sea creatures, starfish, that looks like shrimp, and all kinds of animals from the ocean just sprayed all over the place during this storm in China. I mean, this is crazy. This is insane to see stuff like this. But it's the sign of the times, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. All kinds of shellfish there. And this was a coastal storm that hit China this past Wednesday. And he said it was pretty severe. Wow. Believe me, we have our share of storms here in the U.S. The biblical storm also carried with it a huge barrage of hailstones, which left locals driving for cover. I guess they were. Wow, it's bigger than the egg. They said the hail was about the size of chicken eggs. That is just insane to see something like that. I tell you what, if I saw fish and everything falling from the sky, that would freak me out. Wow. Mm-mm-mm. But it goes over the historical storms that carried ocean life. In the first century, they're saying it was a hailstorm of frogs and fish. In 1794, French soldiers stationed in La Lane said they saw a storm of toads falling from the sky during a heavy rain shower. In 1876, a woman in Kentucky reported meat flakes raining from the sky. Wow. And they discovered the meat that was falling from the sky was venison. In 1974, a rain of spiders fell down in a town in Australia, Goulburn. In 1976, in San Luis Obispo in California, blackbirds and pigeons rained from the sky for 2 days. Wow. In 2008, a mysterious rain of fish falls on a village in India, Kerala. That is crazy. This is some maddening things happening in the world. But please tell me what you think, ladies and gentlemen. I'll leave the link to this article in the description box. And let me know what you think. Peace, family.